drop top. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible. 350 V8 powered. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes. Go ahead and take a look at the front bumper, grille. Of course, the front end on the 69. A lot of people like this setup with the headlight and grille. Good looking front end on it. Riding on the SS style wheels. Repaint to silver, and paint definitely shows nice in this car. As you can see, a couple real small touch-ups I noticed. If I can even find them back to point them out, and I'm talking minor. You can see that. One little tiny one there, but overall this paint really shows nice. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, interior, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726 as you get a good shot of the passenger side. You can see how straight that is. Not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Red stripe is a pinstripe on there. Highlights the red vinyl interior, bench seat up front. Shifter on the column. We're going to check out that dash here. I want to show you some things on that when we get around to that side. Seats have been reupholstered in the red vinyl. It does have a black vinyl power top. Glass rear window, and at the end of this video we're going to run that up, let you check that out too. Dual exhaust. Headers coming out of that 350. Good sounding car. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Check out the shape of the rear taillight surrounds, chrome on the rear bumper, and again that paint. This almost looks liquid on there. Put on very nicely. Once again, still pictures so you can see this car from every angle, interior, under the hood, underside. Pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Again, you can see how straight that car is. Again, free of dings, nicks. All the way up to the front. SS style hood. Seats free of rips, tears, really much wear at all. I have still pictures without the floor mat in, FYI. Just put it back in when I'm going to get in and out of the car here. Door panels. Interior looking good. All right, let's check out this dash. All right, take a look at this. First of all, what do you know? Working clock. Take a look over here at the tack and the gauges. Fired up. Look at that working tack, working gauges, oil pressure, fuel. Wipers do work also, had those working. Radio, retro sound radio, that is also working. Of course, power top switch here. Power top does work. Ooh, listen to that engine. Got a little bit of a rumble out of that. Slight cam. Top of the dash looks good. You'll be able to see this car with the top up in the still pictures too. And like I said, into this video, we're going to check that out. Power top does function like new. And here we go. Listen to that. This car will definitely turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. Go check out that engine bay. That's dressed up nicely too. I'm going to pause this a second. It's going to take me both hands to get this hood open. Finished off just as nicely under the hood. There you go, power steering, power brakes, those headers. 350 Chevy small block. Fan shroud set up nicely under here. Good one, any of your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. be afraid to show this one with the hood up. Battery disconnect, FYI. See a picture of the cowl tag, as well as the VIN and with the still pictures. Alright, I'm going to run that top up, close up the hood, and we'll wrap this video up in a second.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here we go with the top up. So let's start up front here. As you can see, fits along the windshield very nicely, and you'll be able to see this in the still pictures also. I also rolled up the windows so you can see how that glass fits in that convertible top. Very nice there also. Top looks practically new. I really don't see any wear marks, discoloration, let alone holes or rips or anything like that. Rear glass window, nice and clear. And again, take a look at how the glass fits into that convertible top. Very nice. Like the rest of the car, good condition. So there you go. You want a clean one, 1969 Chevelle convertible. Great look with that silver red highlight stripe down the side of it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call.